welcome back to my channel. Today I'll make a video all about my Lego sets. Here I have the new tree house with the bunny. It's the new friendship bedroom. That's for Amy. Supermarket, but actually my sister made something else. And here is the lighthouse, but also my sister made her own ideas. Here we have Elsa's tower. I showed you it's set from outside in the first of the video. Here's that van. Actually, it's a van. It's bigger than a van. It's like a bus. Here's Mia's shooting training. Yeah, it's like shooting training. Look at this cute hedgehog. Here's Olivia, where she makes her robot, the Science Lab. And this robot, I made it in my own ideas. It's cute, nice. Caliph, the place that you buy from, the maps, and also the slides, but because it's so big, so big, I couldn't put it here, so put it up there. Alright, so big, it's so nice actually, and I love it. Here's house, and here's the moving car, and we're in the camera, and the doggy's born. The doggy that wins. And here's Andrea's performance park. And here's Steven. Here's Diana. She's so cute. Here's park. And here's Emma's Salone's park. And here's the big park. I put all the park things as island, and Moana's standing because she wants to protect Mother Island's heart. And here's Stephanie's, Kate's house, so nice. Kate's helping me. Hi guys. Alright, now Kate's telling me that this is the big mall. Yeah, I built it. It has clothes here you can buy. And here's it's like a bakery you can buy from it bread. Guys, here that would be the diner. Alright, now, Kate, let's show it to them. Diner, I finished it. Here's Dottie cooking. Here's the slush. Here's the potato and the car table. Here's the car. That's Naya's car. Alright, it actually came with a book. Here's here were the pieces, and it's so nice. And in it there's a book, and the pieces in another place. There's the book, and in the book there's the instructions. And here's the go-kart, and here's Pepper here, and here's the Sienna's park. And there's the ice cream and the fountain and some swings. So nice. I read at the first that Moana says that it comes with a poster, and it's actually on my wall, on the wall of my room. And here I have so much stickers put in here. I have another poster of Lego Friends, a poster of Elsa, another poster for the friends. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, my Lego sets tour. There are more to show, but now I didn't build it. I built them, but they put them in their bags and didn't show you their sets at the first, so I'm sorry. But when I build them, I'll make sure that I'll show you a video about them. I hope you liked this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Bye!